अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आप देख रहे हैं इन्फॉर्मेटिव नॉलेज टीवी। इन्फॉर्मेटिव नॉलेज टीवी में डेली बेसिस पर जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी से मुतल्लिका वीडियोस अपलोड की जाती हैं। अगर आप जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी से मुतल्लिका वीडियोस देखना पसंद करते हैं तो काइंडली हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और साथ में बेल आइकॉन को भी प्रेस कर दीजिए ताकि हर नई आने वाली वीडियो सबसे पहले आप तक पहुंच सके। आज की जो जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ अवेलेबल है वो है गवर्नमेंट ऑफ पाकिस्तान, मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ फेडरल एजुकेशन एंड प्रोफेशनल ट्रेनिंग, situations vacant. Applications are invited from suitable candidates, male, female, for recruitment in the Ministry of Federal Education and Professional Training against the following posts. Serial number 1. Name of the post and the pay scale is Stenotypist BS 14 English. Number of posts 7. Qualification and experience is intermediate plus minimum speed of 80/40 word per minute in shorthand and typing respectively. Must be computer literate. Domicile or quota: merit 1 seat, Punjab 3 seats, Sindh urban 1 seat, Sindh rural 1 seat, KPK 1 seat. Age limit is 18 to 25 years. Number 2. Cashier BS 14. Number of posts 1. Qualification and experience is graduate BCom, must be computer literate, preferably accounts literate. The selected candidates shall have to undertake 6 weeks IT basic training course including MS Office conducted by the NITB within 1 year. Domicile or quota is on merit basis. Age limit is 18 to 25 years. Serial number 3. LDC BS 09. Number of posts 2. Matriculation with typing speed of 30 word per minute. The selected candidates shall have to undertake 3 weeks IT basic training course including MS Office conducted by NITB within 1 year. Domicile or quota: Punjab 1 seat, Sindh rural 1 seat. Age limit is 18 to 25 years. Serial number 4. Name of the post and pay scale is Naib Qasid BS 1. Number of posts 12. Qualification or experience primary. Domicile local based. ICT 1 post reserved for disabled quota. Age limit is 18 to 25 years. Note: in all cases, the general instructions recruitment policy of establishment division contained in their OM number 53/1/2008 SP dated 22/10/2014, 16/1/2015, 3/3/2015 and 6/5/2020 will be followed. Terms and conditions. Recruitment to the above posts would be temporary and subject to the following conditions. Only shortlisted candidates will be called for test and interview. 5 years general age relaxation will be allowed as per government policy. Applications form can be downloaded from the website of the Ministry of Federal Education and Professional Training www.mofept.gov.pk. Applicants already in government services should apply through proper channel and would be required to produce NOC at the time of interview. A candidate may apply for more than one post by submitting separate application form for each post. Applicant shortlisted for interview shall present his/her original documents along with set of attested copies of degree or certificates etc. Information provided in the application form will be verified and in case of any fault or forget information and fake or bogus documents, Ministry of Federal Education and Professional Training reserves the right to cancel candidature at any stage even after employment if so discovered later, and to initiate a legal action against the applicant. Ministry of Federal Education and Professional Training reserves the right to cancel the recruitment process in part or whole, increase, decrease the number of posts as per requirement against any post at any stage without assigning any reason. No TADA would be admissible for appearing in test interview. Applications along with copy of CNIC and 2 passport size latest photographs on the prescribed format shall reach to section officer admin MO Federal Education and Professional Training Block C Pak Secretariat Islamabad within 15 days after issuance of this advertisement. Applications incomplete or received after due date will not be entertained. Please do not attach any other document with the application form. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Allah Hafiz.